And yes, this is the intro. I'm only 7, almost 8 level. So yeah, this is all I got. Don't judge me for the cringe I made. There's very big flashing light. Sorry for that cringe intro. Anyways, we're gonna be playing this. Get me in. Alright, so we're already in. Close the leaderboard. Anyways, I'm gonna wave at you, but okay. I already played this a few times. Anyways, hi guys, it's me, Melanie. Today we're playing Airplane 3. Let's do this real quick. This little thing. Anyways, I know I'm cringe. Yoink. It looks like we got a job. I don't have any jobs. Hello. Airplane 3, 3 stalls. Wait, what did I do? Okay, it doesn't say. What did you say again? Night. Yes. General Poncho. Hi guys. I'm just gonna spawn. Hi. I'm recording. Oh, like I was expelled. Boy, so expelled like I was expelled from school. Nice. No one asked. I forgot what the fuck he was saying. Hopefully you guys read it. Target? Wait, oh. I thought it was about the store. Alright, let's go to Target. Wait, Ronald from Ronald McDonald? Is he the mascot that was he's the or like the mascot? So he's just weird makeup, put on weird nose, just put on some hair, put on clothes, and yoink. I'm just messing around. Probably in hashtags. One, two, three, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I already know all of this. Maybe find wild intention and bring him to this. Blah blah blah. Okay. Look. Hopefully no one sees all the hashtags. I'm gonna ask the question. Is he one? Is he one of McDonald's guys? Yeah, I'm ready. Yoink, 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 yoink. Yoink, yoink, They're just going down while I'm just hanging on. Yoink! Anyways, we gotta get our suits. Of course, I like the pink one. That's literally my favorite color. That is how we are going to save the airplane from Ronald. Okay. But first, let's get everyone set up. I'm gonna say again. Cool. Oh my god. Amber, golden. Not golden. Wait, what's fab? Fabulous. Boy, yes. Looking good. Why did this Pokemon die? You're wrong, boy. Anyway, blah blah blah. I'm not following you. Blah 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 blah. Chicken the blind. Okay, we don't have any fuel. Fuel. Blah 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 blah. When I fail the plane take completely. That is a fuel nozzle. There is 4 of them around the cave. Wait, this is a cave. Oh, okay. I need your help to connect them to the plane. Okay, connect the nozzle to the plane, depending on its code. I have bad grammar. Did anyone know? Okay, I'll just. Didn't he then fall? Nice. Got it. That's like a. Oh god. I got a building. You don't need to tell me where the frick is. Now I'm gonna get the teddy bear in case. Because I like having a friend. Even though I have friends, I think I might do a Facebook video later. When I get 60 or 50, maybe 50 subs. Boy, I came all the way over here. And it was probably my fault because I didn't check anything. Well, excellent. Is this Limbo? I'm messing around. I'm the tank now. Yay! I'm the tank. Blah, 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 yeah. Oh. I'm in a room where I'm recording and it's very dark. Now you're ready. Yay! Yay! Is this Limbo? Almost forgot. Ow. Ow. My shoulder. Pilot call, Clever, he'll be all pilot through the mission. Ow, my shoulder. System is ready, General. Pilot Cloak said, please start the engine, pilot. Down the engine. Wait. Hey, is that me? Oh yeah, it is. Yoink. 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 I don't know what the fuck I am. Oh. Are you guys okay? Now get in before we close the door. Find a seat before we close the door. Stop the guy man. Boy. Oh, he wants the teddy bear. He was so busy getting the nozzles when he forgot about the teddy bear. Why are they still down there? I see. Okay. Yay. Don't oink. Chicken nugget. Closing the door, preparing to take off. Oh, I see you running. Good luck, Charlotte. Are you coming with us? Why is he pointing at Alan now? That guy? It's so dark in this room. Bananas, I'm a minion. Bananas. Can we make a banana sundae? I know. I might just find the storage. Is there storage here? I'm not spoiling anything. One guy. Yeah. He used to work at McDonald's and now he's just waddling. Like, see ya, I got my money. I'm general. Is that to make a banana sundae? Here. Okay. Can I make it into a sundae? Can I make it into a sundae? Oh wait, it's poison. Haha, sucks for you. Haha. I'm just kidding. I still don't eat my banana, but I'm still a minion though. Even though I'm not a hero. I might make 2 videos today because I'm always bored. Even though my room is very dark. But I might just I'll turn that on. Because of you. Hey, I will wake you up when it's time, yeah. Hey, let me just turn on the light. Sorry, I was too dark. Yoink, we be chillin', yoink. Time to wake up everyone. It's nighttime and it looks like we are inside a storm. We need to be ready in case we have a what? In case we have to. Yeah, someone's blocking. Our white mode is in critical danger. Is this safe? Is this safe? Is this safe? I'm probably watching this video because maybe my family, I don't know. This is so scary. Okay, Bling. Hello, guys. The storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. You going? Okay. Yeah, is this safe? Cover me and try not to get struck by lightning. Okay. Where's the lightning? Oh, it's over there. Oh, God. Thanks for the light. Okay, it's over there. I'm covering you. Yoink. Whoa, land on him. Okay. This fine. Oh, God. I'm covering you. I'm doing the mission, okay? Yeah, why did you let us be here anyway? Oh, God. But did anyone else you know? Wait, where was everyone? Probably doing something else. Oh, we do the most fixed now. Okay, I can keep talking for a call. What's up, guys? You probably gonna have to clean the soil windshield since I stepped on it, but I didn't care. What? Oh, yeah, I forgot. It was right behind me, Flick. Get me in, boys. You will not stop this fate. Boom. Has anyone tried anyone tried getting the bad ending? Because I only see people get the good ending and the secret ending. Just give it to be able to just do a blah. Pilot, is everything okay? Where's the skeleton? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you're talking about. The giant skeleton. That was weird. Okay. I just realized we have the same hair. Wait. You're good, Paya? No, let's give it around. General, we're finally here. Perfect. Can I step on your head? Everyone, pay close attention. Alright, get me in there. I'll get his flies. When we get everyone out safely. Once we are in there, we just have one chance. Good luck, soldier. Are you coming? Yes, I am. I'm sick. And over the twice wanted. And the chicken and the chicken nuggets. I'm just being positive, okay? I like food, by the way. Great, found an animal. Give and ignore yeah, whatever. Give us the ogles. Yeah. Give us the ogles. Wild, stupid. What the? Okay, fine, but I like food. Okay, we need to save everyone on this plane first. Okay. Untie everyone. Yoink. 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 Wait, this guy's on top. It's still tied. Wait. Ooh, thank you. What do you say? Oof. Yoink. You're welcome. Yoink. General, inform you all that you will now save the aircraft. Great. But there is still one left. The captain. Wait, he's a noob? Actually, there's one more noob Me. This is it. Yeah, get me in there. Get me in, boys. Get me in. Get me in. Get me in. I want to be the hero. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. Me. Yeah, just step. Because I don't want anything to do with this boy. I'm thinking maybe I should be mean because I always get the good ending. We trust you. Wanna open the door? Open the door. FBI, open up. Get a seal open there. Let's see the captain. Oh, how did you get in here? Wano. Let the captain go away. God damn, you don't understand anything. Okay. You ruining my plans. I'm the Zolfins. Listen to what I'm going to say. Oh, you're choosing. What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. Oh, that is sad. All I ever wanted was a friend. Sorry to hear that. Yeah. Don't have to do this. Don't have to do this, so we can be your friends. Be careful. Be friends. Would you really do that for me? Yes. Yes, we will be friends. Because you're a good person. I don't know if you can't save me. I've taken things too far. It's never too late. Oh. Okay, I will. I will become a good person. Good one. Good one. You're good one. Oh god, oh god, no. Alright. You still saying that? General, the captain is bowling. Yoink. There's no time. Was he hearing the whole conversation or something? Or was he just chilling? Chilling and keep saying, catch and trust you, Pat. Take this pill, Super General, what about you? Wait, what's blinking? Yeah, blinking still here. Where is she? Blinking, blinking, bling, 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 blinking. It's been a pleasure working with you. I just said that. Did I read his? The back emergency door is opened. Okay. Oh my god. That's Call of Duty? Noise? Noise? What did I just fall? Did I is that the plane? Oh, where is she? She's good. Oh, wait, what? We good time. Oh, I still got my banana. I gotta eat it. I'm thinking of playing island. I got my teddy bear. Go there and eat it. Wink. Great dancing. Can you teach me? Oh, these only news that are like serious and everyone just like happy. Wait, can I go out? Oh man. Where is everyone? We're swinging. Okay. Hey Captain. You need it. Thanks for saving my life. I did. Thanks for saving me. My life. You're welcome. So where's General Pond? Oh. Oof, my back. Okay, before I save everyone on that plane. Kids are here. So are you. General Alex. I thought he was going to be a gamer or something. I don't really know, actually. I know General Pontius Cloud, whatever he is. He did all this, he really healed us. Because he's literally a ghost. Objective. Finish the game. Airplane victory! Whoa. It's moving this around. Blah 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 blah. Airplane 3 story. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love y'all so much. Oh my god, I only need to do one more for the mail need. I'm not doing that today. Because I really did it. This video is too long. For weekday. What the heck is everyone saying? Stay nice, stay awesome, and stay safe. Remember, always wear a mask and stay home. Use Amazon to get all your food, okay? Or Postmates, I don't know. I love y'all so much. Stay safe, stay awesome, and stay nice. Bye.